Hello everybody. Nice to see all you again. Today is Monday, our first day of the week. Today is the January 28, 2019. Now it's almost 4 o'clock in the evening. It's the first day of the week. We still have the long way to get another weekend. But at least we got some sunshine now because we had a long day of raining yesterday until this early morning, and we had a cloudy until afternoon. We just have some sunshine now. It's much better. And yesterday, so it's the first day of the week. We need something to make more energy, especially me. When the weather is like cloudy, raining, I have my body kind of aching. I'm old now. Anyway, my dad say I have a sensitive with the weather. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. When in the sunshine day, a sunny day, I have a lot of energy. But for the rainy, cloudy, and cold day, make me like going down the hill. Anyway, I need something to have have some energy to do the stuff. Here, where I got Reese milk, but that's a chocolate candy. But this one is a miniature cups. See, miniature cup. Yeah. What's wrong with my miniature cups? And it is milk chocolate and peanut butter. Milk chocolate and peanut butter. And the neck weight is 12 ounces, 340 grams. If you eat 3 of them, they say post 3 pieces serving that you consume 130 calories, 3 grams of saturated fat, that means 15% of BV, and 80 milligrams of sodium, that's the 3% of BV, and 14 gram total sugars here. Where here. So you can see right here. And neck weight right here. And in the back they have nutrition facts. So about 13 servings per container. That's 13 serving for this. In the past 13 people each can eat 3 pieces. So serving size is 3 pieces at 26 grams total. Amount per serving, that's meant for per one person, that's 130 calories in that 130, and total fat is 7 grams. Is 10%, saturated fat 3 grams, 15%, transaction fat 0%, cholesterol is 5 milligram, 1%, sodium is 80 milligram, that's 3%, total carbohydrate 15 grams, 6%, index 15 grams of carbohydrate, they have dietary fiber is less than 1 gram with 3%, and total sugar 14 grams, That includes the 13 gram added sugars, that's the 26%, protein 3%, vitamin D is 0 microgram, that's 0%, iron 1 milligram 4%, calcium 25 milligram with 2%, potassium 90 milligrams 2%. Okay, yeah, because I cannot reverse, so it's I have to rest outside, and now it's whatever I just read is right here as I did up to here. Okay, next we have increase. They have milk chocolate, and in there they have sugar, cocoa butter, chocolate, skim milk, milk fat, lactose, lecithin, peanuts, sugar, dextrose, salt, TBHQ, and citric acid. To maintain freshness, yeah. Well, whatever I just read is right here. See, and maybe and it's just fun. Now let me open the seed inside, okay? Here. Come on, class the side. Yeah. It smells great. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This I bought buy one get one free. That is $4 something, $4.90 and then 9 cents of 19 cents. But buy one get one free. Yeah. 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 Oh, I should show you how it's look. Okay. Yummy. Inside is peanut butter. That's my I crack out for you to see. Peanut butter inside. Outside is chocolate cover. I think too enough for me. Too enough for me. to get energy for a day. You know, I should add them in this morning, early morning. Let's see. Count how many of them are. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, and I add 2, this is 38. I show you another trick to, you don't have to count, but you can you notice how many in there. I just found when I opened the cookie box. Oh, probably I count wrong, is right? Yeah. In here, they say 3 serving, that's can serve for 13 people. You take 3 times 13, that's a 39. Probably I'm miscounting, is right? I'm wrong, probably. It's supposed to 13 serving. It's serving 3 pieces, so that's a 13 by 3 is a 39. I counted, it's only 38. Let's see. I add 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. No, I'm not. I counted right somehow. So this one is 38. But it's close to. Let's go there. Anyway, you see, my face is fresh now. I still here. I'm recording with my my laptop webcam. The cheap laptop. I unboxed the laptop, but I haven't posted yet. If you want to see my cheap laptop, don't forget to come back. Probably I upload it. It's because I need to cut a little shorter because it's kind of too long. I recorded it's 30 minutes. I cut it down to 20 minutes. I want to cut a little down to 11 minutes because it's too long. I know. You don't want to sit there see me just unbox the laptop for half an hour. Anyway, yeah, that's my energy. What do you say? Energy boosting for this week. I should add yesterday because it's rain. It made me walk today too. But now in the kind of light, and I have too many energy in the evening. That's not good. Probably at night I cannot sleep. But usually I eat about 2. If chocolate, I eat 2.5 from a day. I don't eat more than that, just to make manage it. Because I don't eat a lot of sugar, so I need some sugar. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. It's the smell good. They wrap in the paper. I can smell it. Smell of chocolate. I know. Bye.